Hello, guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel where I help you navigate the world of online selling. Today, we're comparing two popular platforms for creative, Etsy and Redbubble. Stick around because by the end of this video, you will know which one suits you best. First up, setup and costs. Etsy charges a small listing fee and takes a percentage of each sale. Redbubble, on the other hand, is free to join but takes a bigger cut from your profits. If you are budget conscious, this is something to consider. Etsy gives you full creative control. You're responsible for creating, listing, and shipping your products. It's great for building a unique brand. Redbubble, however, handles all the production and shipping for you. It's perfect for artists who want to focus solely on creating. What about the audience? Etsy attracts shoppers looking for handmade, vintage, or personalized items. You will need to actively market your shop. Redbubble, on the other hand, has its own built-in audience searching for trendy and unique designs. This means less marketing effort on your part. So, which one's right for you? If you love hands-on branding and personalization, Etsy is the way to go. If you want a passive, hands-off approach, Redbubble might be your best bet. Have you tried either platform? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.